Hello and welcome to Geeky Stuff. I now have the Bluboo EDGE to unbox. This is very identical to the Bluboo Dual in terms of specs, apart from battery life and only a 720p display. Battery size is only 2600 milliamps on this phone, as opposed to 3000 on the Dual. Okay, let's unbox her. Same box as the Dual, similar. This is a bit tougher to get out, bloody hell. What the hell is that? Jesus Christ. Sorry. What the hell? The bloody bottom's ripped away, lot. Absolute shower of shit that is. Bloody hell. Right. Why on earth it was like that, I do not know. Okay, let's get the phone out. There's the phone. Let's go straight to the contents of the box. Exactly the same as the Dual. It's slightly different actually. USB charger. Micro USB charging cable. Looks like you get a screen protector in here. Yeah, screen protector. Manual and a SIM tray tool. And you also get a warranty card there in the bottom of the box. So this is also on GearBest, and this is going for £119 at the moment, but I've just noticed that it's not in stock. Okay, here we go. We have the champagne version, and you also get a nice case with it. A silicone case. Let's take the case off. Well, it's not a silicone case, it's a hard plastic case. Okay. Bloody hell. There we go, the case. And in that process, I've just turned the bloody phone on. All right, let's go around the back and take this protective stuff off. I'll tell you something, that's really nice. Nice design. Look at that reflective back, beautiful. Much better than the much better than the Dual in terms of design. Let's take that off. It has a screen protector that comes with it, but it looks slightly narrow and a bit pointless, so I'm going to take that off. And I think this looks excellent. That colour, that champagne colour, and the wallpaper, the contrast is fantastic. It's called the Bluboo EDGE because if you can just make out, the edges are slightly curved, like the Elephone S7 Edge, if you remember that one. But that's quite a nice design. So you have a home button at the bottom, and it's a clicky one. Capacitive buttons on the left there for menu, and a back button on the right at the bottom. It is quite a thick phone, and it's around about 9mm thick. So at the bottom here you have your micro USB cable, your speaker, and a little microphone right next to it, also with the 3.5mm headphone jack at the bottom. The design looks very similar to the Umi London, which I reviewed a while ago. And so let's go around to the right hand side. You have a power button on there. That's it. The top, oh wow, this is a bit different. The top you have this SIM tray. Not seen that before. Pretty cool. And on the left hand side you have a volume up and down. Pretty standard. On the front you have a fingerprint ID scanner at the bottom, like it's very similar to the Elephone S7, but this is clicky. And at the top you have your front facing camera, which is 8 megapixel, also with a proximity sensor, and I'm assuming LED notification. So on the back, okay, as you can see, it does pick up fingerprints quite easily. But if you get one of these cool 3M cloths. It does buffer it up quite nicely. So there on the back you have your rear camera, flashlight, and also it's got a heart rate monitor built in. So you pop your finger there and it detects your pulse and gives you a reading on your heart rate. At the bottom, nice little Bluboo logo. Look at that reflective screen, that's beautiful. Really, really like this one. So it's already turned on. There is the screen. It's Android 6, and on this one you don't have no app drawer either, just like the Bluboo Dual. Doesn't seem to have any bloatware at all. Oh, there's the heart rate sensor, look. Let's quickly try that. I'm assuming you pop your finger there. Oh, you have to click the start button, do you? Place your finger on the sensor. It's even got a little sound. I'll bring it here. So that is detecting my heart rate. It's not giving me a reading just yet. 73. Okay. Let's start again. So finger on the back. $80. Okay, cool. Let's try it a little. I'm going to jog on the spot for a minute, guys. Just bear with me for a minute. Okay, let's try it now. Although my heart rate is increasing, the sound of the heartbeat on there doesn't sound any faster. 76, that's rubbish. And my heart rate ain't bloody 76. Start again. No, I don't believe that at all. Sorry, that's a thumbs down for me. Right. So, let's go into the settings very quickly. All the way to the bottom, About Phone, Android 6. Back. Fingerprint. Fingerprint Manager. Continue. Pattern. Okay, let's try the. So like the Bluboo Dual, it doesn't like you put in the same position of your thumb on. Let's lock it and okay. What? Pattern required for additional security. Okay, right, now we're here. We're here. Okay. Just vibrated then. It's a little bit slow to what I'm used to, but accuracy doesn't seem too bad. Let's try this one. Left hand, okay. Maybe take a few more readings later on. Okay, so on the whole, it doesn't seem too bad at all there. Let's get the camera out. Settings, camera. 13 megapixel full screen, that's good for me. Let's try. Oh, just took a picture with the volume key. Let's try another one. Let's have a look at the settings of the video actually. Video quality is high, let's put it on fine. A very, very quick video. No autofocus, is there? Okay. Alright. Let's switch the camera around and take a selfie. And a selfie video camera as well. The selfie camera on this looks better than the Bluboo Dual. Just putting it out there. Okay. So Bluboo have really done well on the design of this phone. It looks really, really nice, beautiful, and feels very, very solid as well. And it doesn't feel like it's going to break if you drop it. The thing that I've noticed I don't like much is the clicky home button. It's too clicky for me, I think. That's the only sort of issue with build quality, I'd say, and design. But overall, it looks beautiful, and I'm sure you would agree. And heart rate monitor doesn't really work. You might be able to download another heart rate monitor app, which may improve things. And also there might be some updates for the Bluboo Edge to come. But that is it for the moment, guys. I'm going to go away and test it, come back with a full in-depth review. But on the whole, at the moment, it looks very, very, very nice and pretty cool. And it's 120 quid on GearBest at the moment, so go and take a look. The link is in the description below. Any questions, please comment, subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.